Captain Maddie, I'm happy to report that our submarine is operating in tip-top ship shape.
Excellent, Lieutenant Triggs. We can always rely on the Squeezy Wheezy.
The world's first submarine powered exclusively by bubbles.
Bubbles, bubbles, everybody's blowing bubbles, 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 down in our submarine. My name's Captain Maddie,
And I'm her number 2.
in a squeezy wheezy submarine we explore the ocean blue.
Each adventure's different, exploring new frontiers.
Discovering new worlds each day by following our ears. Bubbles, bubbles, everybody's blowing bubbles, 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 down in our submarine.